Micah, October 2020. One-liners, Part 4. Government of India celebrated National Statistics Day. On which date? On the birth anniversary of Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. The answer is 29th June. Then comes on the birth and death anniversary of Bidhan Chandra Roy. National Doctors' Day is celebrated in India every year. On which date? 1st July. Recently, who has virtually released a book titled Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trends? M. Venkaya Naidu, Vice President. Which edition of Foundation Day of NABARD was celebrated on July 12, 2020, 39th? Every year, World Youth Skills Day is celebrated on which date? On which date? 15th July. Every year, World Day for International Justice is observed on which date? 17th July. World Chess Day is observed by United Nations on 20th July. Kargil Vijay Divas is observed every year on 26th July. On 26th July. Which edition of Raising Day of Central Reserve Police Force was observed on 27th July 2020, 82nd? This will be known to people in Delhi. This day is observed there. Yeah. Every year, World Hepatitis Day is observed by WHO on which date? 28th July. Which country has celebrated its 55th Independence Day on 26th July? Maldives. Dharma Chakra Day was celebrated by the International Buddhist Confederation under the aegis of Ministry of Culture on which date? Answer is 4th July. Recently, former footballer Mario Gomez has announced his retirement from the sport. Which sport he is from the sport? He is related to which country? Footballer related to which country? Germany. Footballer Mile Jedinak has announced his retirement from the sport. He is related to Jedinak, related to Australia. Brett Lee has been signed by Sports Adda as the brand ambassador. Brett Lee is related to cricket. FIFA World Cup 2022 will be organized in which country? It must be Qatar. It must be Qatar. Recently, who has won the Formula 1 Hungarian Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton. World Cup winner Andrew Skurl has announced retirement from football. He is related to which country? Germany. Leicester City striker Jamie Vardy has bagged the Premier League's Golden Boot Football Award. He is related to England. Who has become the India's 66th chess grandmaster? G. Akash. Recently, who has won the Formula 1 season opening Australian Grand Prix? Valtteri Bottas. Andriy Demanov was suspended for doping in July 2020. Andriy Demanov. He is related to which sport? Weightlifting. Styrian Grand Prix 2020, the Red Bull Ring in Australia. Who has won? In Austria, who has won? Lewis Hamilton. The fourth edition of Kalo India Youth Games will be hosted in which state? Oh, here the answer is not there. Let me check it out. Fourth edition of, I think you can get it here. Fourth edition. That is in Haryana. That is in Haryana. Yeah, that's what is given here. Haryana. Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary has been appointed as a new Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Air Force Western Air Command. Recently, which country has conducted a successful flight test of an MGTD-20 gas turbine 3D printed aircraft engine? Russia. Recently, which country has launched a new commercial telecommunication satellite Apstar 6D by a Long March 3B carrier rocket from the Southwestern Xi'an Satellite Launch Center, China? Recently, a mission titled as Hope has been launched to Mars by United Arab Emirates. Which IIT has developed rapid diagnostic device to detect COVID-19 infection within 1 hour? IIT Kharagpur. Which country has launched new high resolution mapping satellite Xi'an 303 from Shanxi? The answer is China. Recently, who has launched India's first social media super application Elements? The answer is our Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. Recently, unsavored a disinfection box has been developed by researchers of which IIT? Answer is IIT Roorkee. Recently, which country has successfully launched OFEC 16 spice satellite into space? Israel. Which IIT has developed world's most affordable COVID-19 diagnostic kit Corosor? IIT Delhi. Which country has successfully launched Tianwen-1, its first independent mission to Mars? China. So this was the fourth part of say Mica 2020 October one-liners. Thank you.